जय श्री श्याम दोस्तों। इस वीडियो में हम फार्माकोलॉजी के प्रीवियस ईयर करेंगे वन लाइनर की फॉर्म में। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है जनरल फार्माकोलॉजी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द साइंस डील विद द इंटरेक्शन of exogenously administered chemical molecule with living system is pharmacology. Second, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin vaccine. Source of aspirin is synthetic. Drug obtained from the animal source is heparin. Drug used for the rare disease is known as orphan drug. The orphan drug is one that has a special manufacturing economy. The orphan drug is a drug required to treat or prevention of the rare disease. orphan drug कौन कौन से ये नोट करके क्वेश्चन आया था, तो हैं कौन कौन सी? सोडियम थाइसल्फेट, लिपोसोमल, एम्फोटेरिसिन बी एंड फेमोपिजोल. ड्रग दैट आर obtained if prescribed are known as prescription drug. The hypodermal injection are administered into loose, connective and adipose tissue immediately beneath the dermal skin layer. Disadvantage of the parenteral route is inconvenient and painful. इसके बाद आते हैं advantage of the parenteral route is rapid action, can be given to the unconscious patient. Drug absorption in the gut is by passive. The route of administration of heparin and warfarin is IV and oral route. The hyperpyrexia is a state of high body temperature. Route of drug administration is most like to undergo first pass effect is oral. The route of administration for the insulin is subcutaneous. Inert substance given in the grab of medicine is known as placebo. Route of administration is like to led to the first pass effect is oral. The injection inserted in the midline between the first and second cervical vertebra is known as epidural injection. The route of administration of cefotraxone is parenteral. तो ये वो फेलोस्पोरिन आप पढ़ोगे, वहाँ पे है ये सारा कुछ की क्लासिफिकेशन में दिया हुआ है केडीटी में अलग से. एनीमा इज एडमिनिस्टर्ड थ्रू रेक्टल रूट. इसके बाद आते हैं ड्रग कैन बी गिवन एज द intravenous bolus shot is potassium chloride, adenosine and insulin. Notes the note करके आया था क्वेश्चन वही डेक्सट्रोज. यूज एज सबलिंगुअल isosorbide dinitrate, nifedipine and nitroglycerin. Can be marketed under generic name is Nalgene. Ipratropium is administered through inhalational route. Irrational drug use unnecessary prescribed for self-limited condition, overdosing and underdosing prescribed drug of no value. To maximize the first pass effect, the route should drug to be given is oral route. The irritation drug not given by topical. Drug obtained from the plant is reserpine. The drug is placed under the tongue and allowed to dissolve. This process is known as sublingual route. इसके बाद आते हैं टाइप ऑफ फोर्स एक्ट इन ड्रग रिसेप्टर इंटरेक्शन इज कोवलेंट, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स एंड hydrophobic. Drug is commonly administered in the intranasal route is desmopressin. The major mechanism of transport of drug across biological membrane is by passive diffusion. Facilitates diffusion of glucose take place site is skeletal muscle, adipose tissue, insulin dependent tissue. इसके बाद आते हैं द रूट of administration of vaccine BCG intradermal. Depot therapy is possible with intramuscular route of administration. Polyvaccine can be administered by IM route in newborn. ये important है. The effect of injection hypotonic saline intravenously rise in the blood pressure. Chemical substance produced by microorganism is antibiotic. Use of isotonic solution do include IV injection, subcutaneous injection, injection into varicose vein, and active metabolites are morphine, diazepam, and G-toxin. Drug administered in parenteral, intravenously, subcutaneous and intradermal. इसके बाद आते हैं हम ड्रग rendered ineffective orally due to liver metabolism, testosterone, insulin, and lidocaine. Burton line is clinical sign found in the patient with chronic poisoning of lead. The pharmacokinetic parameter like distribution and elimination together is known as disposition. Pharmacokinetics include distribution of drug in the organism. First fast metabolism refers to metabolism of drug during its passes from the site of absorption into the circulation.